Hey kids! Welcome to Examhood. Today, we're exploring an office. You'll see computers, desks, sticky notes, and even spinny chairs. There's so much to discover, and I can't wait to show you. Ready to check out all the cool stuff? Let's go! Stapler. S-T-A-P-L-E-R, stapler. This little tool keeps all your papers together. Cool, right? Notebook. N-O-T-E-B-O-O-K, notebook. A place where we write all our ideas. Maybe you can start your own notebook too. Typewriter. T-Y-P-E-W-R-I-T-E-R, typewriter. Wow, an old school way of typing before we had computers. Isn't it interesting? Cabinet. C-A-B-I-N-E-T, cabinet. This is where we store important files and papers, keeping things organized. Calculator. C-A-L-C-U-L-A-T-O-R, calculator. Need to solve a math problem? The calculator is your best friend. File. F-I-L-E, file. Files help us keep everything neat and tidy. You can organize your homework like this. Whiteboard. W-H-I-T-E-B-O-A-R-D, whiteboard. A place where we write big ideas. Just grab a marker and start brainstorming. Desks. D-E-S-K, desk. The perfect spot to get all our work done. What would you put on your desk? Spinny chairs. S-P-I-N-N-Y-C-H-A-I-R-S, spinny chairs. Who doesn't love a good spin? Let's take a fun spin around the room. Computer. C-O-M-P-U-T-E-R, computer. We use this to send emails, write documents, and search the web. So much to do on a computer. Sticky notes. S-T-I-C-K-Y-N-O-T-E-S, sticky notes. Great for little reminders. You can write down anything and stick it anywhere. Wow, we learned so many awesome office items today. From spinny chairs and sticky notes to typewriters and computers, offices have all sorts of tools to help us work and stay organized. Thanks for exploring the office with me.